Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, save work and confirm your Visual Studio edition and version. Once done, open the Tools menu and select Options, then go to Environment and pick General. This is the entry point where themes live, so don't browse elsewhere. If you plan only to switch built-in themes, you can change immediately. If you'll install extra themes, make sure you have administrator rights and an internet connection before proceeding to avoid interruptions. Now pick from the Color Theme drop-down to apply a built-in theme, light, dark, or blue, so you can see the change instantly. If you want more options, open Extensions right arrow Manage Extensions and search for Theme. Install the extension you prefer. Visual Studio will prompt for a restart. Once restarted, return to Tools right arrow Options, right arrow Environment, right arrow General, and select the newly installed theme from the same drop-down. This keeps the flow consistent and avoids duplicate steps. Finish by clicking OK to save your theme choice, then inspect several code files and tool windows to confirm consistent colors. If some UI elements look off, restart Visual Studio. This often resolves incomplete theme application. If problems persist, open Tools right arrow Import and Export Settings to reset environment settings, or uninstall and reinstall the theme extension via Manage Extensions. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the VS cache and restart. Many theme glitches disappear after a clean restart and cache refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.